Good morning! Today is cooking and dancing day.
Wow! Yellow, red, green mangoes. Perfect for rainbow food.
And so, Papa Mango, can we help?
Of course, my little chefs.
Cook and dance, dance and cook. Food with love tastes good.
Yeah, yes, I mix fast. Woo-hoo-hoo! I will mash mango carefully.
First dish, mango chocolate sauce.
Chocolate and mango together? Yummy!
Now, mango orange sauce.
Stir it left, stir it right. Cooking makes us feel so light. It's
Dance! Dance! Mango dance!
then this one is special. Rainbow mango dessert.
It looks magical!
Everyone sit together.
Yummy! Delicious!
Mango! Mango makes you strong, happy, and healthy.
Yo, mango, mango, big and sweet. Healthy food is such a treat.
And the giant mango taught everyone.
Aho, Feteli.
Now, let's sit together!
दिलबर झूठी बड़ी तरफ से कमोन तेरी
पर कुछ नहीं
Make so that
I need on the roof.